presenter will give us a taste of her prepared festive presentation. 17-year-old girl and a proud native of Pangasinan, invite us there, Kimberly Ann Pasawa.
Have you been to Mangaldan? Have you tasted Pindang? Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Ann Pasawa, a promoter. Right now, I'm gonna bring you to my birthplace, Mangaldan, Pangasinan, as we celebrate our Pindang festival. So, are you ready to celebrate with me?
Yes.
So, here is the first part of my presentation. First, about the Pindang Festival. What is Pindang? What is Pindang? Pindang is a kind of food which is a carabao meat, and it is the product of Mangaldan. Mangaldan is known for it, and there are 101 ways to cook, and one of the famous recipe is the fried pindang. It is cooked by dried and cured carabao meat and marinate it with salt, pepper, garlic, and sugar. Then put dip it with pineapple juice. Then put in a plastic. Then place it in the fridge for 3 days. Then after 3 days, it is good to cook or fry. Then it is ready to serve. So it's my favorite recipe because I love to eat fried foods. Then about Pindang Festival, Pindang was, actually there is no Pindang Festival last 2012. It just started 2013. Then our former mayor Bernardo Abalos announced last February 22, 2013 that there will be a festival in our place, Mangaldan, Pangasinan, to acknowledge the town for the product Pindang, to celebrate. Then it started, it was announced February 22, 2013, and the festival started March 2 to 11, 2013 is just last year, and it is celebrated by having longest and fastest rodeo. Then there are street dancing competitions and search for Miss Mangaldan. Then I would just like to promote my own town because I just want to raise tourism for Mangaldan because just a little more population it will become city, they said. Then I'm so proud that I was born in this place because the people are so good and they are hospitable, yeah. And so hope you enjoyed celebrating with me. Thank you for for celebrating with me.